I'm just walking back from the post office. I've just picked up my bees. Oh my gosh, my queen bee is in here. Can't wait to open her up and then put her in the hive. Looks like this so far. Whoa, holy moly. I can see things wriggling around in there. Wow, looks like they're buzzing to get out. Okay, let's take it out of here. It's nicely ventilated in this box.
How will we get it in?
We'll
fly off.
Yeah, no, they'll stay in this little cage until they eat their way through this sugar stopper. Right, oh gosh. This sugar stopper right here. The queen bee and her attendants will eat their way through and then they'll let her out. So the attendants will eat their way through this side and then the bees in the cage, the bees in the beehive will eat from the other side and then hopefully she'll be able to be free. Can you get that to focus? Is that focusing? We're back at the beehive now. Alright, so let's get the queen. There she is. Focus for me. There she is. She's got a little orange marking on her. Looks like bees are trying to eat their way through that sugar capping. Apparently it's going to take about 3 days. Ooh, some bees are interested in her pheromone smell. Yep, we're getting quite a bit of interest from the other bees and maybe they're telling all the other bees. Yep, more bees gathered around now, trying to eat that sugar capping. Cool. I think they're happy to see her. Hard to tell, but yeah, I think they're happy to see her. Even more bees coming along to say hi. Lots of interest. Lots and lots of interest. Good, I think they've been missing a queen. Hopefully they accept her. We'll check on things in a few days. Here they all come. Well, thank you for watching that video about our queen bee. Just to tell you a little bit about her, I purchased her online. She's a Rottnest daughter, so on Rottnest they breed queen bees from really docile and friendly Italian strain genetics. Yeah, and they send them in the mail. So this is my first time having a go at that, and let's hope it works. We'll check back in a few days. Fingers crossed. Bye.